The thrill of the hunt. RVing to America's best flea markets and antique shows. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway in your trusty RV, the landscape changing as you meander through small towns, bustling cities, and serene countryside. Your mission? To explore America's best flea markets and antique shows, where treasures of the past await discovery. This journey isn't just about the destinations. It's about the thrill of the hunt, the stories behind the finds, and the joy of bringing a piece of history into your rolling home. Brimfield Antique Show, Massachusetts. Why it's a must. Brimfield is the mecca of antique shows, hosting the largest outdoor antique event in the country. With over 5,000 dealers, the treasures here range from vintage furniture and art to quirky collectibles. RV tip. Arrive early and secure a spot in one of the nearby RV parks. This event spans over a mile along Route 20, so wear comfortable shoes and prepare for a day of exploration. Round Top Antiques Fair, Texas. Why it's a must. Set in the picturesque Texas countryside, Round Top is more than an antique show, it's an experience. Twice a year, this small town transforms into an antique lover's paradise, where high-end antiques meet rustic Americana. RV tip. The show spans several weeks, so take your time. Stay at a nearby RV park and immerse yourself in the local charm. Round Top is known for its hospitality and mouth-watering Southern cuisine. First Monday Trade Days, Canton, Texas. Why it's a must. Billed as the world's largest flea market, Canton's First Monday Trade Days is a treasure hunter's dream. From antique tools and jewelry to handcrafted goods, there's something for everyone here. RV tip. With over 100 acres of vendors, planning is key. Check the market map and vendor listings ahead of time to target your must-visit stalls. The town has ample RV accommodations, making it easy to rest and recharge after a day of bargaining. Rose Bowl Flea Market, California. Why it's a must. Nestled in the iconic Rose Bowl Stadium, this monthly flea market is a haven for vintage clothing, rare antiques, and one-of-a-kind furniture pieces. It's a favorite among celebrities and designers, so you never know who you might bump into. RV tip. Parking can be competitive, and early birds get the best finds. Consider staying in one of the nearby RV parks and arriving early to snag a good spot. Shipshewana Auction and Flea Market, Indiana. Why it's a must. In the heart of Amish country, Shipshewana hosts the Midwest's largest flea market. Beyond antiques, you'll find handmade Amish goods, fresh produce, and delightful baked treats. RV tip. Extend your visit to explore the surrounding Amish community. Many RV parks in the area offer serene settings and the chance to slow down and enjoy the simpler things in life. Tips for the ultimate flea market RV adventure. Plan your route. Map out your journey to include overnight stops at RV-friendly locations near your flea market destinations. Consider the scenic route. Sometimes the journey is as rewarding as the destination. Space and weight considerations. Remember, every item you bring into your RV takes up precious space and adds weight. Be selective with your purchases, focusing on items that truly speak to you or serve a purpose in your RV. Haggle like a pro. Flea markets are the perfect place to practice your bargaining skills. Don't be afraid to negotiate, but always do so with respect and a smile. Preserve the stories. When you find that perfect piece, take a moment to chat with the vendor. Many items have rich histories, and these stories can add immeasurable value to your finds. Stay connected. Many flea markets and antique shows have websites and social media pages where they post updates, vendor highlights, and special events. Follow your favorites to stay in the loop and plan your visits accordingly. Pack for success. Bring along a flea market kit in your RV, including a tape measure, magnifying glass, notepad, and reusable bags. Having the right tools can help you make informed decisions on the fly. Enjoy the local flavor. Each market is a reflection of its community. Take time to enjoy the local food, music, and attractions. These experiences enrich your adventure and create lasting memories. More than just markets. RVing to America's best flea markets and antique shows is more than a shopping spree. It's a journey through the heart of Americana. It's about discovering the stories etched in objects of the past, meeting fellow adventurers and locals, and weaving the fabric of these experiences into your life on the road. So, reverend up your RV, set your sights on the horizon, and prepare for an adventure where the open road leads to hidden gems and forgotten treasures. Each market is a chapter in your travelogue, each find a memento of your journey. Happy hunting, and may the road be kind and the finds be plenty.